So this year, as part of our Built to Honor program, we partnered with Building Homes for Heroes, and they brought us Daniel and Casey, and with the opportunity for us to provide them a new home through the Built to Honor program. What was special about them was their local connections to Myrtle Beach. So they're currently living very close to our Berkshire Forest community where we're at today, celebrating the Notes of Love event. They were a family that had a serious housing need. Currently, their master bedroom is on the second floor of their home, and there's some severe limitations with Dan's ability to get up and down those stairs.
Well, my first time I deployed was in 2009 in Afghanistan. My second deployment I got hurt on, it was part of a security detachment for the commanding general of the division. There was a 300-pound homemade explosive device, they said, that was detonated under the rear half of the vehicle I was a machine gunner for. I wanted to make a career out of the military, and physically and mentally and emotionally, I just wasn't in the place after that.
Great family, great couple, very excited about the whole build process, and honestly being able to be the one that is in charge of delivering a mortgage-free home to somebody that is so deserving.
This is actually my brother-in-law. And it was just kind of a fluke thing that he was chosen as the Built to Honor recipient. So it was kind of a surprise to me as much as it is him. And what better person to choose to deserve this? We have freedom because of him. So, and what better way to honor that as Americans than to give back? So we're giving back to Daniel Dobay for his service.
You see the plan we're in today, all the bedrooms, the living area, the gathering spaces all here on the first floor. So we're really going to be able to enhance their lifestyle through this home.
I mean, this whole thing is just such a blessing, to be honest with you, and it's so gracious and wonderful that it's hard to sum up. I am touched in the deepest part of myself, and I am so eternally grateful and humbled and happy.
So I love the Built to Honor project. It's such a great opportunity to really honor heroes like Daniel and Casey, and so excited to be able to welcome them into the family and welcome them to this great place to call home.
I'm glad that we could be a part of it. As a builder, community, the whole 9 yards. It's a phenomenal cause. Actually, when I interviewed with Pulte years ago, one of the drawing factors was the Built to Honor projects. That was kind of like a highlight to me.
My role was to reach out to all of the trade partners that we have and kind of talk to them about the event and work with them on getting donations for the material and the labor. Everybody was very gracious, and it's worked out really well. The house looks awesome. It's really neat to see all of the writing and the hearts and all of the special notes that everybody writes, and we actually leave these notes on the framing and cover it up with drywall, so they're there forever, and it's just really special and kind of blesses the house for the family.
I mean, being the mortgage-free aspect, it'll free up financially, make us feel more comfortable, bring a kid into the world.
That's what he wants, is to be a dad.
Yeah, that's, ever since I was a kid, I wanted to be a dad.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so thankful. I don't even know if thankful is a strong enough word. It's...
We'll be able to thank them every second.
Right, exactly. Exactly.
Cooking
I will be
lunch,
taking,
like
I will be trying to find ways
cupcakes.
to take an opportunity for the foreseeable future to thank the Pulte group for everything.
And everybody, the homes
And
for
everybody,
heroes,
the homes for building Homes for Heroes as well, for guiding me through the application process, and it's wonderful. It's awesome.
Excited.
Well, we're just so thankful for Corporal Dobay, Dan, for his service to our country, for defending our freedoms, for allowing us to help provide them with this new home, something that he earned out there on the battlefield. So thank you, Dan, for everything you've done for us.
Dan and Casey, we love you already, and we're so excited to have you a part of not only the Berkshire Forest community, but the Pulte family. Welcome.